Ooh, my rice is almost ready. No, it's not doing anything.
Because you're not doing it right.
Oh.
Okay, we're here at Albertsons now to get some supplies for our road trip. Did you bring the garlic, the onions? Mm-hmm. We got our eggs. Mm-hmm. What else would you like tonight? Maybe cucumber?
Just gonna get some this one?
Okay.
No, you just have to like 1 gallon, 5 gallons. You gotta put like 250. Oh, that's it?
We're on our way now to Mount Charleston again. We're going to put the truck through another torture test. We have plenty of water and supplies. We're going to have dinner tonight and breakfast in the morning. And we'll find a good camping spot, hopefully.
We will test the hot water heater and then our stove. I'll cook tonight for our dinner and for breakfast. We finally arrived at our destination. So first you're gonna have to
Hold it.
no, that's fine.
Oh, that's fuzzy.
Think so?
Yep.
Move the pan just a little bit.
Stirred up.
Yeah.
So you put a light.
Is it this one? Good job.
Where's your adjustment?
Yeah, that one's just right. This is my propane.
Yeah.
Oh, my rice is almost ready. Did you close the door? I'm cooking our dinner for tonight, and we have steak and we have asparagus. Can I saute it? Yeah. Right here, Nana.
Good rinse.
I know. Can I just throw this one away?
Yeah.
Can you open that door?
Yeah.
I just want to use it.
Good.
And then you can close it. Right here, you're gonna put this thing right here and wash it. This is trash.
I wouldn't call them trash.
What are you gonna boil? There's somewhat like it's like strand, you know.
Yeah, but you know, you might be able to cut that in half and the top half boil it.
Are you gonna eat it?
Well, I tried.
Maybe next time. And look, like already the roots, you know.
Well, I would say cut it right in half and then we'll try boiling the top half. I don't know.
Next time.
All right. We try to use as much of it as we can.
Can we plant it?
No. Pictures for growing asparagus. See everything above that rubber band is probably edible.
Yeah. But
Okay,
maybe next time.
Yeah, we'll try it next time. Asparagus ain't cheap.
Well, it's still kind of tender inside. Hello, look at my life.
Watery or just right?
Just right now.
Just right.
Let me turn this one off now.
Yeah.
First off. Let's go here.
There you go.
Hello.
Like that. You can bring that one to the front if you want. There you go.
Let me try if I can do it.
Go past the light.
Hi?
Yeah, try that.
Uh-oh. It's not doing it though. Maybe right here.
Try light. Let me try it. Put on light. Did it go?
No.
Okay.
We need the...
Yeah.
We need the
It's not
trigger.
reliable. Here's the trigger. Right here. You gotta
You
push
like
that trigger, yeah.
Okay. That's one.
I got it.
No, it's not doing anything.
Because you're not doing it right.
Oh, ta-da! I'm sorry. Should be kind of not so high.
Explain to the people why we did not use the refrigerator. Open it up and feel inside. Now, what do you think?
It's not that so cold.
Why?
I do not know
What
why.
about the freezer?
But the freezer is fine. You know.
It made ice, right?
Yeah, because look, these are frozen. You know. It's ice
So,
cubes.
why would the freezer be good and the refrigerator not cold enough? Maybe it's just our perception of the cold.
I'm not sure.
Maybe we should try putting something in the fridge that's not really critical, like the eggs. And see if they're still cool in the morning when you open it. The asparagus, I thought you were going to saute it in with
Yeah,
the
but
stick.
this one still kind of look.
I see.
Oh, pusing ka na.
Yeah.
That's enough? Not yet.
Is it going to be pink inside or no?
It'll be pink. You don't like it well done?
No.
Well,
I like it raw.
It will be a good job. You don't like well done.
No, chewy.
So it will be a good job. It's so kind of red.
That's good.
No. They're all gonna happen if you've been eating like raw meat.
It's good. You can eat raw hamburger. Do you know that? It won't hurt you. Yeah, it won't hurt you. Just don't eat raw pork.
Oh yeah, why is that?
Pork has a certain type of worm that causes trichinosis, but you don't find it in beef. Sometimes in chicken, though. Chicken and pork you don't want to eat raw, but beef is okay. They have a thing called beef tartare, which is basically raw beef with a sauce on it. And that's considered a delicacy in some fancy restaurants.
Beef tartare?
Tartare.
I think I'm gutom.
Better say it in English.
No, I'm somewhat hungry, that's why. I want to cook this one really fast. Look right here. Look. Da.
That's sauté, isn't it?
I think this one's pretty much done. Your brother is a chef.
He is.
Yeah. Oh no.
Don't worry. He can give you some pointers.
Ta-da! Look at this.
So you have to let it rest now.
Oh, let me go get our plates. Oh, and then we need a bowl.
Usties.
So this.
Yeah, put it together down there. Those are dead soldiers.
So this is our first dinner. Oh, this will be our first night here in our camp.
Mm-hmm.
And
Our first dinner in the camper. I'm drinking a single malt Scotch whiskey with a beer bag. Bon appetit.
magluto na. Tapos na, that's it.
Tapos na. Masarap.
What are you doing now, Joe? Good night.
Good night.
Good morning. What a life.
What are you crying about?